To recap, Recall is a wearable device for Alzheimer's patients. How it works is that you can talk into it, ask any question you want, and it'll reply back to you. Now, this is most applicable when you forget something. You forget who you are, you forget what your name is, you forget what you're even doing today, right? So this is very useful for those people. So you want to ask me a question again?
Ask like what you're doing today.
Yeah.
So what am I doing? Okay, so say I forget what my tasks are for today, I'm going to ask it. What am I doing today?
Okay, so now it's gonna record the audio.
Now it's uploading the data, and you can see on the screen that it says
it into what am I doing today.
What am I doing today?
So now it'll query it.
Sorry, the volume is really small. It says you are learning about using Ruby on Rails, having fun at PennAppsXIII.
Yeah.
So essentially, we also have this. I mean, you can ask things about like, what's my son's name, what's my own name, where do I live, what's my home address, in case I get lost, I don't know, just completely forget. So we have this app that comes with it, which a caretaker or a loved one can use, where you can actually mark these things such as your family, your events, personal information about yourself. So if you go to like family, you see that you have like this person, that relationship, and if you ask that, even in multiple succession, like what's my mom's name, my son's name, like things like that, it'll answer that all at once.
But the very cool thing is that you can add more people to this and add more events. So you
so you can change the schedule based on day-to-day things, and it'll continually update. Every time I ask a question, it'll change.
So the caretaker can remotely help the patient, but their everyday tasks like very easily through the app. So it's very nice.
And you might ask, like, how would an Alzheimer's patient know how to use this? In addition to having,
yeah, he saw that one.
yeah. In addition to having the question where you can actually ask, what is this? Like, what is this thing that's on my arm? It's also being more targeted at people who have mild to mid-moderate Alzheimer's, because in that scenario, they actually understand that they have memory loss and they know that they're losing this information, as opposed to just being completely oblivious. And so that's really the target that we're trying to hit: being able to quickly reference personal information about yourself without having to go through some like
personal information or any information.
Any information,
like,
really.
Here, I'll just ask another question. Like,
what's the population in Tokyo?
What is the population of Tokyo? There you go. What is the population of Tokyo?
The population of Tokyo is 8,336,000.
It's also good for weather, dictionary words, and so on.
Anything. We're using the Houndify API for all of that. And then in addition, we added all the personal stuff to it, including the app.
That controls all the personal information. Yeah, so if you ever forget anything, press the button and ask, and you're good.
Yeah.
It's also 3D printed by this guy right here. So it's very nice. It can be made even smaller, of course, in the future.
Yeah.
So it's a very big prototype right now. But
Tell me about the devices.
So this is a Raspberry Pi, which is, as you know, like a PC that controls everything. Yep. This is a microphone module. This is a portable power bank. This whole thing is portable, by the way. We can remove this and it will...
So we're just using this internet connection right now for faster Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi here is pretty bad.
Wi-Fi here is really like...